Like, I just want to move to Jamaica. So I'm currently having breakfast. I already started eating. It is so good. So I got ackee and saltfish and dumpling. I normally don't like ackee, but it's really good out here. And a mimosa. Today we're gonna be leaving this hotel and go to another hotel. Checking in there. There's a little gap between the time that we check out here and check in there. So soon we're probably just gonna go pack up, give our stuff to the baggage people, let them hold it for a couple of hours while we hang out on the resort, and then around 3 o'clock we're gonna go to the new hotel, check in there, and start our day from there. It's very hot, so I did a different hair routine today. I did a lot more gel. And I use mousse as well. Hopefully it holds. I got my Jamaican bathing suit on. I'm ready. I got my red stripe. I'm currently outside the hotel now. I'm outside now, the hotel. It's a little bright out here. But this is how it looks. So ready to get out there and get some footage on my new camera. You want to say hi to my friend? Tanya, are you camera ready?
It won't take but a minute. Alright, I'm ready. It's your girl Tanya TV, period. We're in Jamaica. We're having a blast. Tanya TV over and out.
Bye. So, we're on the raft in Jamaica. I have my little coconut here. I am a little scared.
Some more?
Yes.
Yeah, we paid for already.
Yeah. Oh.
Ain't nothing free, right?
Yeah, some things are free.
Something,
It all
but nothing.
depends.
Not here.
It all depends. No, yeah, of course. Of course.
So we're gonna
You wanna
get
go first?
Huh? He already over there.
Yeah, just move the bag them over and put your feet around here. Yeah, so you just turn your feet around here now, make you fix it up. Yeah.
So this is the limestone.
Push up on them and-
What happened? I heard that.
Why you here? Why you here?
Push up on.
I know patois.
I say put pressure upon it.
Put pressure up on what?
On your
The
foot.
massage.
On my foot?
Yeah.
Yeah, put
Yeah,
Rub
give me
them
a
like you
good
want to
rub.
rub them.
Yes.
yeah.
You understand? He's young, so I'm teaching him.
Yes. The youth. My youth.
Yes. Don't teach him too much. We like him already.
Yeah. Don't spoil it. Go like
Yeah,
this,
he's a
like
good
this.
one.
No. This
My good
This a
American
good
boy.
youth.
is sometime.
At the beach right now, waiting for my turn to go on the clear kayak. I still have my hair tied up because I don't want nothing to happen to it. Morning. Good morning. Hi.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
I show you the rum cream.
Okay.
This is the rum cream.
Okay. Do you have one that's like a smaller bottle? This is for my grandma.
Okay, I understand. Big bottle or
Huh?
small or big?
Small.